We should check its appearance in case of obvious stains and scratches. Check whether the screw falls off or gets loose to prevent extra damage in logistics and cause any inconvenience to you. The first axis refers to the joint from the top and the bottom which connects between the base and the robot arm. The second axis. The third axis. The fourth axis. The fifth axis. And the sixth axis without limit rotates. The first axis to the fifth axis can rotate 160 degrees clockwise and counterclockwise, and the sixth axis has no limit. Each joint has its own loosing space, which can be detected by shaking gently. Joint loosing space is an unavoidable hardware problem in the production of manipulator, which does not affect the normal use. All functional interface groups are 2.54 mm DuPont interfaces, and 2.54 mm DuPont line can be used externally. Power DC interface. When using this socket, it can be powered by the equipped 8.4V5A DC power adapter. Extended Interface 5. The Extended Interface Group 5 on the base corresponds to each functional interface of the connected Arduino development board. These are the signal names of the 4 extended interface groups on the front of the base. Extended Interface 1. Extended Interface 2. Extended Interface 3. Extended Interface 4. On the top, there is pin port, Atom Grove, Atom Type-C interface, Expandable interface, Arduino MKR Wi-Fi 1010 board. The motherboard integrating Wi-Fi and BT is suitable for your wireless control development. Uno is the perfect choice for the first Arduino, and it is also a relatively cheap and easy to install motherboard. It provides richer electronic circuit interfaces than Uno, motherboard for advanced development. Connect power cord. Light on. Connect Arduino development board and computer with data cable. Then you can program now.